Hi. So welcome to a new video. So this video is just kind of just to like update, for the lack of a better word, like my journey in working on Triple Ten, doing the boot camp, and finishing my projects. So this is my second project, and it's the coffee shop. This is the stuff. So I'm gonna open up the index. This took me quite a few hours. It took about a full 2 weeks for me to properly finish up everything. Yeah, this is a coffee shop. I learned how to structure my program or my files, my CSS code, like in like a folder, and like put it in blocks. I learned how to create forms. This was reviewed by an actual programmer, somebody who like works in space and such, and they approved it. My first submission had a couple of mistakes, but my second submission passed through after I fixed those mistakes. But yeah, like I wrote all of this. When I got stuck, I'd watch like the video like that is meant to guide you through some of the more difficult stuff. So again, a lot of this is very structured and very guided, but I'm pretty proud because I started out with almost nothing, and I was given the background header, like the images, and I was given like some text, but like the rest of it, like I wrote all of this and I organized it after following along the lessons. It feels like it's actually something, and this is actually what it's like a coffee shop website that it's like triple espresso. And for example, now when I do inspect, I can understand this because I'm the one who wrote it, and the links work. I learned how to embed a YouTube video into a HTML document for like a website. I learned how to mess around with like margins and all that. Right now, I'm in the process of doing Sprint 3, which is like the most recent part that it introduced me to is grid boxes. But I also learned how to do this animation, how to make it so that it fades away if you hover over it. And see, like I did this here, like Luis Rodriguez, like because I wrote a lot of this. And again, I was following instructions, but I'm pretty proud of the fact that I was able to like follow those instructions and actually understand what those instructions meant. So it's just one of those things that kind of gives me hope, at least in terms of like, what do you call it? Like creating stuff. Like
In this video,
see,
I'm going to
like,
be talking through...
sorry, that was really loud. But like the embedded video works, like I didn't know I could do that, or I didn't think I could do that. So like it's just cool to be learning how to do these stuff. And like I was even showing my parents, I'm like, oh, like check this out, I can embed like a YouTube video. And then like I embedded a video, like a random video I just picked out that I was watching. And this doesn't go anywhere because it's a project. It's like a school project, it doesn't go to any like actual social media or anything like that, because it's a mock-up of like what a website that I would build for a coffee shop. But I'm pretty proud of it. Like it took me, like I said, about 2 weeks, but I did it. Like I was consistent. Like okay, like every other day or every day, like let me go ahead and sit down, let me write this out, let me push through the lessons, let me do all these stuff. That's kind of the reason why I haven't really been doing any 3D printing or any gaming or any streaming, because like I've been focusing on this. Like oh, this is a normalized CSS. But yeah, like I wrote all of this, and I'm really happy that I did. So I wanted to share that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.